Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
I can't take this anymore! I'm leaving!
Wait!
Not too public. If the press find you, they will be like many bugs on you.
I need you to watch the prisoner tonight.
Well, daggone. Wait a minute. What if he tries to run again?
Got us a couple of rookies. I'm gonna call you Muddy Britches, and you Laminate.
Francesco is triple speed. Ho ho! French!
Op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel. Neem een slokje water.
Dry. There was one lap racing his 500 of those. Everybody fighting to move up lap after lap.
Hey, don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Oh, yeah! Your license plate's gonna...
First you watch, and then you wait. Then you hold your car so straight.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down.
I'm flying! Flying up here in a tornado in a trailer park!
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner.
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is...
Stay as close as I can. Your suit will transmit your speeds to Hamilton.
Fine, whatever. Let's do this.
As good as they say he is? No. Better.
Kachika! Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the old man...
at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Hey, my baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. I get it. I get it. I know what needs to be done.
Then do it.
What? No.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will